Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the AND OR method of a predicate interface. In this session, we will be discussing about the negate method and we'll be seeing an example on the negate method as well. So what exactly negate method? Why we need to use method? What is the use of negate method? So negate method will be used in scenario where you want to, you know, uh, uh, invert the result of the predicate. Actually, let's say a predicate is returning it, let's say a predicate is returning true and we want to invert the result of that predicate, so then we can use the negate method. Okay, let's take a simple example. Let me explain you what exactly I mean to say. Yep, this is the scenario. Write a Java program using a predicate to check if a person is not adult. Okay, so let's write the code actually. So for this, I'll be writing the code in my person service because I have the person object handy with me. The person will be having the name and age, and I'll be having the person service. The persons in the person service, what I'll do is I'll be writing a method which will be checking a person is, which will be checking age, check age, and I'll be passing the check age will be taking the two parameters. One is the predicate of a person, predicate, predicate person. The other one is person itself, person object itself. Okay, so we will be using this person object and we'll be testing the predicate actually. Okay, so now I'll say uh, predicate person dot test method and you will be passing the person, and this test method will be returning a boolean value, right? So we'll be saying return boolean. Okay, and this is a public method. This is a public method. Okay, and we do have a person client class. Okay, in person client class we are providing the implementation of the predicate. Okay, and we are reading the person details from the console, and and we are setting the person details. Now what we are doing is we are creating an object of person, and the next line we have the check whatever eligibility criteria method, and we will be commenting this part because we don't need this one. Okay, so we want to check the age actually. Okay, we want to check the person age. We have to say that whether person is adult or not. A person age dot check age method is called by passing the person predicate and the person details. Okay, so now this will be returning the Boolean value. This will be returning the Boolean value. So I'll say that instead of result, I'll say is adult or not, is adult or not. Okay, so here, so for the person predicate, what we have to apply is as we are check here in this condition, what we are doing, we are checking the person age is greater than or equals to 17. Okay, we need to and we have created a predicate, and this predicate we need to apply the negation actually. So we need to invert the result of the predicate. Here he is checking the person age is greater than 18. Na? So if you are applying negate, so it is checking the person age is less than or equals to 18. So if it is less than or equals to 18, so it will say that the person is not adult. Okay, so let's apply negate. Here you can apply negate over here also. Here also you can apply negate. You can directly say that in each negate method you should be calling negate method. Negate method. That's it. Simple. Okay, done. Now here we are writing the if else condition over here. If is adult or not. Okay, so this will be returning some boolean value, true or false. If it is not adult, it will be returning a true, and we'll say that he not adult. Else we can say that he is an adult. Adult. Okay, so now let's run this Java application. Run as Java application. So it is asking me to enter the name. Let's say I'll be entering Sufyan. and age is, let's say, 17. So he is not a adult. He is not a adult. Okay. I hope you understand this negate one. Okay. Do practice negate more to understand better actually, and you can practice and or test methods as well. So with this, we have completed the predicate functional interface. In the next session, we'll be discussing about the by predicate. Okay, so we'll be discussing when to use by predicate, what is the use of by predicate. Until then, thank you for watching.